Visible Wi-Fi calling allows you to make calls over Wi-Fi when cellular signal is weak. If it's not working, the most common causes are incorrect setup or network issues. First, ensure Wi-Fi calling is enabled in both your phone's settings. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi calling. On iOS, it's similar. Also, check that Wi-Fi calling is enabled within the Visible app. Make sure your Visible account is properly signed in. A frequent mistake is forgetting to update carrier settings. On Android, you can sometimes force an update via hidden menus using codes like #4637. Another fix is to make sure your phone is running the latest version of the Visible app. As of late 2025, version 4.8.1 addressed several Wi-Fi calling bugs. Lastly, confirm that you're using a supported device. While Visible supports most modern phones, older models might lack eSIM or VoLTE compatibility. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, the problem likely lies with your Wi-Fi network. Start by confirming your router supports Wi-Fi standards like 802.11a, B, G, N, or AC. For optimal performance, use the 5 GHz band instead of 2.4 GHz, as it experiences less interference from other devices. VPNs can interfere with Wi-Fi calling by routing traffic through encrypted tunnels. Temporarily disable your VPN to test if this resolves the issue. Firewalls can block Wi-Fi calling traffic from reaching your device. Temporarily disable your firewall to check if this is the cause. Ensure your Wi-Fi upload speed is at least 10 Mbps to support reliable voice calls over Wi-Fi. Resetting your phone's network settings and rebooting your router can resolve many connectivity issues. Visible recommends using the APN setting VZ Winternet for data connectivity on your device. To prevent future issues, keep your phone and Visible app updated. Be aware of potential problems after OS updates, such as iOS 18 in mid-2025. For unreliable public Wi-Fi, pre-download Visible's offline troubleshooting guide.